So the next tool we want to talk about is canva.com, and you will also find the link below this video, and you can also sign up for free for this tool. And it's a very, very common tool with social media influencers because you can create Instagram stories, you can create YouTube thumbnails, you can create flyers, and a lot of people and solopreneurs use it to create a lot of stuff. So when you want to get creative, normally or back in the days, you had two options. You can either use Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, so the whole Adobe suite, but it tends to be very complicated because you have so many options. And that's why when Canva came around, to make your life as a creator or as a business person easier, because you can create pretty much everything in almost the same quality. And now they also make it AI powered, as you can read it here. So you can make social media posts, videos, presentations, and so on. And I like it a lot and I use it daily. So I think this will be a good one. So just click on the link below and then you can sign up for free and start using Canva. And you can do a lot for free in Canva. So let's sign up and then it will bring you to this page. Below here you can see my projects, so don't worry too much about them. And here you can just search for your own projects, or you can click on create and start creating your own stuff. And for example, here you can select the presentation slides or social media. So for example, if you want to create an Instagram reel, a Facebook post, an Instagram story, then you can choose the templates. And let's go on Instagram here and see what we can do. And Canva is so popular because they have a lot of different templates you can use. So you never start with like a blank canvas. You can always search for something. So for example, if you are like a dog walker, you can use this one. If you like a traveler or anything, you can just type it in, whatever you want to create. For example, if we have an ice cream shop, we can just go in and type it in, and then we can either, for example, create a logo for us, or we can have a sticker or even a video about this. So let's click on ice cream logo, for example, in this case, and then it will directly give us some ideas here. So these are all templates we can use. So for example, if you open up your own ice cream shop, then you can just choose from these logos, for example, this one, and then you can just click in and say Julian's ice cream shop. Et voila, hit enter and let's see how we did. It's a little bit much. Maybe we get rid of the shop and just say Julian's ice cream. And then it says Julian's ice cream up here. And now this would be already a logo I can use. You can see within 1 second I generated my own logo in Canva. So that's very fast. And we will come to the AI bits in a minute, but let's see what else we can do. So this is the logo part, but you can also just go in and, for example, a social media Instagram story. And therefore I just click on it and then it will give me also some templates over here. And I can just select it. For example, this one. If I have a webinar coming up, I can just say scale up your business, in my case with AI, and get rid of the subtext here and make it a little bit more like this. And of course I am Julian Weber and I'm also a digital marketing specialist, so that kind of fits my vibe. And of course I'm not this guy, I would need to put in my own picture. And now we take a look at the first AI features. So I will just select this one and get rid of him, and you can see it's pretty much like in Paint, so there's not much to it. You can just select all the elements here and you can just type it in as you would do in PowerPoint or Word, and you can change the colors. For example, here you can just go in and make it a different color, go to this color, to a green, or choose whatever color you want up here. And if you don't like it, you can just always go back to the initial color here. So it's pretty much, so to say, drag and drop, and you can change everything here. So the corner ratio and so on. It's pretty much like Paint used to be. So, but now we want to put in my picture, and therefore I can just go on uploads and upload a file here. And then we just upload my image. And now my image is uploaded and I can just hit it and then it's here. And of course, this doesn't look good because it has a background to it. And now we need to remove this background, but we have the AI of Canva doing it for us. But this is a pro feature. I'm sorry, it's a tool. They of course want to make money, but if you sign up via the link, you can get, I think, the first 30 days, the pro version for free. And then you also have the background removal feature. So then I can just go here and click background removal. And now it's going ahead and voila, it removed the background within 1 second. And now I can just make myself a little bit bigger and place myself in here. Maybe I need to make the corners a little round, if that makes sense. Yeah. So this is almost perfect. You can, of course, zoom in and make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, it almost fits. And then I would have my own Instagram story for my new webinar. So you can see it's quite fast and I really like it. And we can do much more. So let's go back and we can also go to video and maybe we need like a thumbnail. I will just type it in, thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail, and there I would also just, for example, here are some templates, for example this one, and so this is already in there, and I would just do the same as before with this story. I would just go on uploads, take my picture, remove the background, and just put myself on the thumbnail, and voila, I would have a thumbnail right here. So this is pretty nice, and I can just duplicate and make different versions of it. It's really fast and really simple. Or I can just, maybe I will just get rid of the entire thing, also of the background, and make the background white and put in my image. And now what if I want to just have my image, but the problem is that here this part is missing. I can use a lot more of AI tools from Canva. So I can just click on it and click on edit, and here I have this Magic Studio, the background remover. I can also generate things. I can erase things in the picture. We will get to this in a minute, but we can also magically extend the whole thing. So here I can just click on magic extend, and then I will just pull it over here, and then I will click expand, and it will expand the picture for me, and it's now generating something artificial for the left side. And to be honest, this didn't work out too well, so let's regenerate. This is a little bit better, but I'm still not really happy. Let's regenerate. So I have tried it a couple of times and this was the best I can come up with. But yeah, just click on regenerate. Maybe it's the picture, but usually it works quite nice because then you can just expand the whole thing. So let's try another one. Let's just hit another slide, and I downloaded some pictures for us. For example, this one, and let's try to generate something here. For example, here you also have the magic eraser. So in this picture, I want to erase the mouse. So I can just go here and select the area where the mouse is, and then I can just say erase. And now it kind of left like a dark stain here, so I can just go back and try it again. I make the brush size a little bit bigger. And yeah, we're talking AI, of course, it will be improved from time to time. So, but this usually also works really great to remove stuff. So yeah, this could work. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit, it almost doesn't matter anymore and the mouse is gone. And let's remove the coffee cup as well from the picture. So we don't want the coffee cup here. Let's see if it gets rid of the shadow as well. Probably not. Yeah, it's more darkened out. So I don't really like this in this picture, but the mouse is gone. I think it's okay. I'm fine with that. And we can also expand this again. So let's click on expand and go here and hit expand. I think now this did a pretty good job of expanding the picture. I mean, the MacBook is a little bit small, but it's at least when you take your first look at it, you don't notice. And yeah, you have a lot of different functionalities here in the Magic Studio. You can also magically edit the whole thing. So you can change the color. For example, you can just go here and say, make it a red liquid. And now the liquid in the cup is red. So this one actually worked pretty well. It always depending on the picture you put in, of course. But Canva is like a really good tool for like solopreneurs, for smaller businesses who kind of need to edit something quickly to get the project going. You can also create images in here, but I will also show you some other tools for that. And down here you have some more effects. You can have shadows, you can blur out things, you can face retouch a lot of things. So Canva is like the go-to tool if you want to do something graphically, and the main power is that it has a lot of different templates for different stuff. So you can also make like stickers, you can have YouTube thumbnails, you can make presentations, whiteboard animations, email templates, and of course this is too much for this online course. You can make a full online course just about Canva. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this because you have a lot of different tools for this under one subscription, and you can also use a lot of this for free. And for example, you have also this one here, like mockup generators. So you can have, for example, this desktop image. You can just go ahead and select this one here, and then you can, for example, upload a thumbnail to it, and it will automatically place this thumbnail. This is German thumbnail, never mind, but you can place this image into this mockup. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So if you have, for example, an app you just programmed and you want to have this like in the mockup here, like a guy holding the hand of your, I don't know, app or online store or something, then you can just upload your picture and it will be directly placed here. And yeah, this is Canva. It has a lot of features. Usually you start with create, then you tell it what you want to do, social media post, you want to edit a photo, you want to make a video, or even print. So you can also do business cards with it for your business. You can also do like flyers or posters and even websites. So it's pretty much an all-round talent for everything. And they add more and more AI functionality. As you can see, the background remover is working great. The editing photo is great. The expand feature can be a little bit better, to be honest, but I would definitely trust Canva in the future to do this. Of course, there's Adobe, but Adobe is way too expensive always. And yeah, Canva is just a good tool for solopreneurs or content creator like me. And I hope you will also find some joy with it. And yeah, it's a good AI tool to make your social media posts and presentations and so on. Link below. Have fun with it. Bye.